Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and I am super excited to show you my latest kit. And this is actually the journal that I made with it. And it is similar to my faith planner, only after I made the faith planner, I realized that a lot of people want planners for other things. So what I did is I took my faith planner kit and I stripped the words off of it. I left the design and I made a blank planner. So for 2022 or any other year, that's what this will work for. So this is the finished journal that I just made. My planner that I decided to use it for is what I'm calling a home planner. But you could use it for a garden planner, exercise, diet, whatever you need a planner for. So this is what my finished planner looks like. I'm just gonna show you real quick. Each month has these 4 tabs and extra pockets. So here's January, here's February, and they're all blank. I only marked on January for myself because I want to test it and see if that's the way I want to label it before I label the whole journal. But I'm using it for a home planner. I'm going to put like things I need to do in January here. And events as they happen, I'll write them down here. Here's expenses or home improvements, things like that I make. You can put the date. Travel, receipts, guests that come to stay with us. And then here are extra pockets. And these are in the kit. February will be the same way, so you could decide for yourself how you want to label it. But I've got the how-to videos are coming. As soon as I get this kit out there, I'll start to put these on of how each month was made. And here's a journaling signature. And here's another set of pockets that are in the kit. And I've used, of course, my own papers and things too to finish these out. This is the kit. All these are in the kit. And then you can tell where I've inked. And like this is scrapbook paper that I made pockets with. This is the kit. July, August. And, you know, I did special features that are on the videos. I had a bunch of green stamps, so I decided to use those in August. And so anyway, this is my shabby chic blank planner. And so you can use it however you would like. And that is it. And so now I'm going to go put the kit out there and begin to put the how-to videos out. So anyway, I hope you like it. Think about clicking the like button and subscribing, and I will see you on the first video. Bye-bye.